Welcome to Nansen Points, our very own loyalty reward program. You can access Nansen Points by just going to the left and hitting points, where you can also see how much NXP you have. Now think of NXP as experience points, like in a game. The more you do on Nansen, whether it be subscribing or staking, the more NXP you'll gain, and the higher tier you'll go up. Currently, there are 4 tiers. We start with green, ice, north, and star. Once you get to the green tier, you can already start getting perks, such as a 10% discount off your Nansen subscription. And so just jumping into the page right here, on the left, you'll see where you're currently at. And on the right, you'll see all of the different points history that have come about. So there are 4 key ways you can earn more points. So one of them is completing any of the onboarding actions. So you can link your Telegram account, you can activate Nansen Points, simple click, and you already get some points. You can create your first portfolio, and so on. You can also get more points depending on how long you've subscribed and what kind of paid tier you subscribe into. You can also earn points by staking with Nansen. So depending on how much you stake with Nansen and how long, this can differ. And then finally, you can also refer a friend to pay for Nansen, and this will also help to gain more points. Now at the bottom here, this is where you'll be able to see all the different rewards you can get. And by clicking into each modal, you can see specifics about let's say if I was in ice tier, this is what I would get with Bybit. North tier, this is what I would get, and so on. And you can see this for every single one of our premium partners. Now, as of recording this video, we are currently on season 1. And so these are the premium partners for season 1. And every new season will have even more perks and rewards for our users. Now at the bottom here, you'll see something called coming soon and add wallets to activate. And so if I were to click this, this is where you can connect your wallet from staking as well as to receive permissionless rewards. And that's the same thing. You can access the same thing by clicking at the top here, rewards addresses. Now, if you're wondering questions about permissionless rewards and all of the different tier leveling and the mechanics behind points, all you have to do is go to our FAQ right up at the top, and you'll be taken to our main FAQ where we've broken down everything in detail.